What's up, guys? It's Jacob, aka Teacher Jacob. As you guys know, we're kind of quarantined because of COVID, and I am teaching at Galt Elementary right now for first, second, and third graders. And one of my jobs is to read a teacher story aloud. And so today I'm going to be doing 2 children's books. I'm streaming them on Twitch, then I'm going to record them, put them in their classes, and I'm also going to be posting this on YouTube. But yeah, to start off, you guys should get a piece of paper, just plain white piece of paper, some colored pencils, and just kind of draw what you hear, or just listen or follow along. But yeah, so here it goes. The first book we're going to be reading is Green Eggs and Ham. And yeah, Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. I used to have this book growing up, and I hated eggs. Hated them. I am Sam. I am Sam. Sam I am. That Sam I am. That Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them. I need to turn the Wi-Fi. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with the fox? Not in a box, not with the fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you? Could you? In a car? Eat them? Eat them? Here they are. I would not? Could not? In a car? You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not? Could not? In a tree? Not in a car? You let me be. I would not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not, in a box. I could not, would not, with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Say, in the dark, here in the dark, would you, could you, in the dark? I would not, could not, in the dark. Would you, could you, in the rain? I would not, could not, in the rain. Not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam you see, not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. Could you, would you, with a goat? I would not, could not, with a goat. Would you, could you, on a boat? I could not, would not, on a boat. I will not, with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car, you let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I don't like eggs. I do not like them, Sam I am. You do not like them, so you say. Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them, you will see. Honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them. Sam I am. And I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. They are so good you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox. And I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam I am. I can read it all by myself, beginner books. That was Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. It was a Cat in the Hat's right there. It's a Cat in the Hat book. Everyone knows Dr. Seuss by Cat in the Hat. But then the second book we're going to be reading is actually, because yesterday was Easter, since yesterday was Easter, I decided to choose an Easter Bunny book. So this one's The Easter Bunny is Missing. It's a little longer, a little bigger read for the older kids. But yeah, if you still have your piece of paper, you should be drawing. You guys can take pictures and send them to me. But yeah, so this is The Easter Bunny is Missing by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Barbara Sproul. It's a Scholastic book. So yeah, happy Easter. I hope you guys had a good spring break, and I hope you guys are logging on to your Google Classrooms and doing all of your work for your teachers to make their lives easier. But The Easter Bunny is Missing, Book 2. It was the day before Easter, and spring was in the air. The forest animals had gathered at Blueberry Meadow to plan for their annual Easter party, which always took place after the children found their Easter eggs. "I can't wait for our party," exclaimed Bear. "I'll bring the refreshments," said Fox. "The crickets are scheduled to play," said Frog. "Their music is hoppin'." "But where's the Easter Bunny?" asked Fox, looking around. "He's not here." "How can we celebrate Easter without the Easter Bunny?" asked Mole nervously. "Who will deliver the Easter eggs?" "Calm down, everyone," said Turtle. "Maybe he just got lost. Let's try to find him." Bear and Fox looked behind every tree in the forest. Mole checked all the rabbit holes and burrows. Turtle and Frog searched around the lake. "Any luck?" asked Turtle. The other animals shook their heads. "The Easter Bunny is missing," Bear said sadly. We've got to do something, added Mole. The children will be sad if they don't get their Easter eggs tomorrow. One of us will just have to fill in for the Easter Bunny this year, said Fox. It should be me, and I'll show you why. So this is the fox, here's a squirrel, here's the mole, here's a turtle right here, here's the frog, and a bear, and a bluebird. Bluebird. Carrying a basket of colorful eggs, Fox led his friends out of the forest. Watch me, Fox called out as she put on a pair of bunny ears. I'd be the fastest Easter bunny ever. She took the Easter basket and quickly raced around the children's homes, hiding eggs under the bushes. Wait a minute, said Mole. You're too fast. You dropped some of the eggs along the way. Children will find them much too easily. Sorry, Fox, but you can't be the Easter bunny. Poor Fox. Let me do it, yelled Frog. I'm the best one for the job. And why's that? Asked Bear. Frog smiled. You've heard that Easter Bunny song, right? Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way, Frog sang. Well, who does hippity hoppity better than me? Frog grabbed the Easter basket and went bouncing down the path. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way, Frog sang out. He didn't notice that some of the eggs fell out and broke. No way, said Bear. With all that bouncing up and down, you'll crack all the eggs. I should be the Easter Bunny, said Mole quietly. Mole found the best hiding spots for the Easter eggs, but he couldn't always find his way out. Sorry, Mole, said the turtle. I'd be the best Easter Bunny, because I'm the strongest, said Bear. He loaded up his basket with dozens of eggs, but as he lumbered down the path, he banged his basket against the trees, crushing many eggs. I guess I'm too strong, said Bear, forlornly. That leaves me, said Turtle. He strapped the basket of eggs to his shell and toddled down the path. But when he finally reached a hiding place, 30 minutes had gone by. Fox shook her head. By the time you finish hiding all the eggs, it'll be Christmas. I don't care, said Turtle. I still want to be the Easter Bunny. No, said Bear. I want to do it. The animals argued back and forth. Filling the forest with their shouting voices, the racket got louder and louder and louder. What's going on here? A familiar voice rang out. I could hear you all the way down Daffodil Road. Easter Bunny, Frog shouted. You're here. Where have you been? Asked Bear. On vacation, the Easter Bunny replied. Hawaii was so much fun that I decided to stay a little longer. I hope you weren't worried about me. Now what is all that fighting about? Oh, nothing, replied Mole sheepishly. Nothing at all. It's great to see you, the Easter Bunny said, as he began putting Easter eggs into his basket. But now it's time for me to get to work. I have lots to do for tomorrow. Hippity hoppity, and a big hippity hoppity to you too, said Frog. Happy Easter. The Easter Bunny skipped off to hide the eggs, and he didn't drop a single one. It's the day before the biggest Easter party, and the Easter Bunny is nowhere to be found. Did the animals of Blueberry Meadow save Easter? So that book was The Easter Bunny is Missing. And I know that was only about a 20-minute book reading, but that's kind of how short they're going to be, because there's going to be one every single day at the same time, just so I can have enough time to upload it before technically the kids are done with school. But I hope that everyone is staying safe for coronavirus and COVID-19. And if you guys had finished your picture, I practiced reading yesterday to somebody, and somebody drew for me. And last week we read one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. So that's why that's there. But if you have any good drawings or anything and you guys want to send them to me, I'll put my email in. And yeah. But the daily affirmation I do with my students, the last thing is, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I hope you guys had a great spring break, and I hope you guys are ready to finish this school year out strong. Have a great week.